Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Probe. Probe. Probe means blunt-ended surgical instrument. For example, the probe can be used in a variety of medical applications. The probe can be used in a variety of medical applications. Proceeds. Proceeds. Proceeds means money obtained from event or activity. For example, proceeds will help purchase new equipment. Proceeds will help purchase new equipment. Synonyms: profits, takings, earnings. Processor. Processor. Processor means machine that processes something. For example, the processor overexposed the film. The processor overexposed the film. Productivity. Productivity. Productivity means property of being productive. For example, the long-term productivity of land. The long-term productivity of land. Propaganda. Propaganda. Propaganda means information used to promote political cause or point of view. For example, he was charged with distributing enemy propaganda. He was charged with distributing enemy propaganda. Synonyms: information, promotion, advertising. Proposition. Proposition. Proposition means statement expressing judgment or opinion. For example, the proposition that all men are created equal. The proposition that all men are created equal. Synonyms: theory, hypothesis, thesis. Prosecution. Prosecution. Prosecution means institution and conducting of legal proceedings against someone in respect of criminal charge. For example, they lacked the funds to embark on private prosecutions. They lacked the funds to embark on private prosecutions. Synonyms: indictment, accusation, denunciation. Prosecutor. Prosecutor. Prosecutor means person who institutes legal proceedings against someone. For example, prosecutors are fully entitled to bring any number of offenses against a single defendant. Prosecutors are fully entitled to bring any number of offenses against a single defendant. Prosperity. Prosperity. Prosperity means state of being prosperous. For example, a long period of prosperity. A long period of prosperity. Synonyms: wealth, success, profitability. Protocol. Protocol. Protocol means rules governing affairs of state. For example, protocol forbids the prince from making any public statement in his defense. Protocol forbids the prince from making any public statement in his defense. Synonyms: etiquette, social practice, custom. Province. Province. Province means administrative division of country. For example, Chengdu, capital of Sichuan province. Chengdu, capital of Sichuan province. Synonyms: territory, region, state. Pulse. Pulse. Pulse means rhythmical throbbing of blood in arteries. For example, the doctor found a faint pulse. The doctor found a faint pulse. Synonyms: heartbeat, pulsation, pulsing. Pump. Pump. Pump means device for moving liquids, forcing air into tires, etc. For example, a gas pump. A gas pump. Punch. Punch. Punch means blow with fist. For example, he reeled under the well-aimed punch. He reeled under the well-aimed punch. Synonyms: blow, hit, knock. Query. Query. Query means question. For example, a spokeswoman said queries could not be answered until Monday. A spokeswoman said queries could not be answered until Monday. Synonyms: question, inquiry, doubt. Quest. Quest. Quest means long or arduous search for something. For example, the quest for a reliable vaccine has intensified. The quest for a reliable vaccine has intensified. Synonyms: search, hunt, pursuit. Quota. Quota. Quota means fixed share. For example, the county is falling short of its quota of blood donations. The county is falling short of its quota of blood donations. Synonyms: portion, part, division. Radar. Radar. Radar means system for detecting presence, direction, distance, and speed of objects. For example, digital cell phones are similar to radar, using pulses carried by microwaves. Digital cell phones are similar to radar, using pulses carried by microwaves. Rage. Rage. Rage means violent, uncontrollable anger. For example, her face was distorted with rage. Her face was distorted with rage. Synonyms: temper, fit of anger, fit of fury. Raid. Raid. Raid means rapid surprise attack on enemy by troops. For example, a bombing raid. A bombing raid. Synonyms: surprise attack, hit and run raid, tip and run raid.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.